Oh no! The city is about to sneeze!
Uh-oh, I feel it coming.
It's Captain Sneeze!
Time to save the day.
I'll make everyone sneeze forever!
And now, the first super sneeze!
Whoosh! Look at it go! Whoa! Too windy!
Tickle storm. Not strong enough. You can do it!
Thanks, everyone! Here I go! Dusty the Tickly Monster, you can't escape!
Super sneeze power activated!
Ha! My sneeze got you! Oh no, I'm shrinking! I need a vacuum!
The city is clean!
Thank you, Captain Sneeze! Always cover your sneeze. Oops! I'll be back. Maybe. Not if I can help it. Yeah, I won!
Our hero saves the day.
Thanks for watching.
Like the video and subscribe to Happy Kids.
See you next time!